My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the annoying browser notifications related to the site Fefashionisms.xyz. Fefashionisms.xyz is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers too, but Google Chrome is the main target of these pop-ups. The pop-up tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help them continue their browsing. But when the allow button is clicked by mistake, the browser is hijacked and infected. People start receiving the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the computer screen that will be randomly attacking the computer. I have just clicked on allow for the demonstration purposes, and if you have clicked on allow button, you should fix your browser immediately, otherwise you will keep receiving the great portion of such ads and that will really annoy you and distract you. To fix your browser, manually access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go to Permissions and select Notifications. You can see some of these ads attacking the screen, and you need to remove them from this Allow section. Click on this button and get rid of these all these junk sites from the list. After you do that, the trouble should be fixed. However, I also recommend that you additionally inspect your system with the reliable antivirus software. My suggestion is that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.